Good moves. This is Parker's dance recital. He turns 1 year old in a couple of days. Parker, can you play some more music? Can you play some more music? Next song. Go play the next song. Good.
Are you gonna dance, Parker?
Next song, Parker. Can you play the next song? One more. Good moves. That's my favorite dance. This goes on for hours. Say hi, Daddy. I wonder where he gets it from. Bye.